Action 10 Chief Meteorologist Sharon Ray with your Doppler 10 weather forecast.
Lots of blue sky and cool air is with us behind that front that came through yesterday, but not bad. Rockport's at 61 degrees, a low dew point, low humidity, a north breeze. Feeling a little more like winter out there as we see the temperature in Corpus Christi at 59 right now, and that north breeze coming down as from what it was earlier today. Across the state, you can see temperatures are leveling out now. We're in the 50s across the entire state, just about from 52 at Amarillo to that 59 here. And winds are still blowing, but those continue to improve, thankfully. After that icy, cold, and gusty wind this morning, it is starting to come down a little bit as we go into the evening. So as the trick-or-treaters are going all across the coastal bend this evening, we're going to have a clear sky, hopefully no bats roaming through, and a few pumpkins out there this evening. Temperatures are going to dip down through the 50s, and by the time we get to 9 o'clock, here's 9 o'clock this evening, we're already in the upper 40s, 49 at Corpus Christi by 9 in Orange Grove, so pretty chilly evening, but dry as the diminishing winds continue to bring those temperatures down tonight. Now this is midnight, but take a look at what you'll experience by early morning tomorrow. We're looking at low temperatures down into the 30s to low 40s. It's going to be downright cold tonight as we see that temperature pretty close to the record in Corpus Christi. The record low is 39 degrees from way back in the 40s. It's possible we could tie that tonight, but tomorrow does look pretty nice. You'll need that coat in the morning definitely, but you could get rid of it in the afternoon as we see those temperatures climbing with all that sunshine, although there will be a few clouds around tomorrow afternoon and winds starting to come around from the northeast to the east, and that'll modify our temperatures into the weekend. So these are the forecast highs tomorrow, a little bit nicer than what we saw today, and mostly sunny skies and that wind a lot lighter than it was today. As we go through the weekend, we have another weak front coming in. That's going to shift our winds Saturday to the north. They pick up a little bit Saturday. We'll have a cool breeze blowing and then switching back around to the southeast Monday, and that begins a warming trend here early next week. So here we have our cold front to the east of us, higher pressure to our west. Northerly winds with that high keeping it on the chilly side and dry. Look how dry it is all the way to the north here, so we'll have plenty of sunshine the next couple of days. But this next front, a weak one indeed, moves in here Saturday, and that is going to shift our winds back around to the north Saturday. But you know, the temperatures won't be too different. At night they're going to cool down a little bit, but all in all we're going to just stay mild through the weekend because of that. Sunday we start to see the winds back to the east southeast by early next week, and the moisture returns. With that moisture returning, especially Tuesday, we could see a few showers or a thunderstorm, and we'll also start to cool down later next week. Let me show you something. This is the temperature graph, and 81 right now is what's considered average, and you can see that we're well below that all the way into the weekend. By the time we get into Tuesday, we're in those lower 80s. We'll go a little bit above average. That weak front Tuesday doesn't do much for us, but there's another one behind it by early Friday morning, and that one brings temperatures back down into the 60s by next weekend. So we're looking at some pretty mild weekends back to back here as we go through the next couple of weeks. Here is your 7-day forecast brought to you by AutoNation. AutoNation will purchase your car even if you don't purchase a vehicle from them. Shop now at the AutoNation lot near you. Tonight, then, temperatures quite cold, dropping down to near 40 degrees. Tomorrow, 66, not bad, warming a little more Saturday and Sunday, and the nights come back up into the 40s to low 50s. In fact, that onshore flow is going to make a big difference in our nights. Look how much warmer they are by Monday night, in the mid 60s, upper 60s by Wednesday night, and those 80s during the day with chances of rain returning.